Hi and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm gonna guide you how you can add your YouTube channel link to Roblox. It's pretty easy, so let's start our video. First thing you need to do is to open the Roblox application, then tap on the More option here, go to Settings, then go to Account Info. On the account info page, all you need to do is to scroll down where you will find the YouTube option under the social networks. Now you need to go to your YouTube application. Once you go to the YouTube application, tap on your profile and then it will bring you here. All you need to do is to long press on your handle, which is your user ID. Once you long press on it, this window will pop up. You need to copy that. Then you need to go way back to your Roblox application. All you need to do is to paste it here. So guys, once you paste it here, all you need to do is to tap on save and your YouTube account link will be added to your Roblox account. So guys, if you liked the video, don't forget to subscribe. I will see you in the next video. Till then, take care.